Hello friends, I am Mayuri Kulkarni, student of first year CSC department from DIMS Aurangabad. I explain some MCQ on loop in C. First question is choose a correct C for loop syntax. For the for loop syntax, the first initialize the statement, then condition is checked and the increment decrement operation. The increment decrement operation is at third place. So option A is a correct. Question number 2. Integer I variable, its initialize value is 1. In condition I is equals to 1, we check I is less than or equal to 5. Then condition is true. But actually statement is printed. In for condition, the statement semicolon is present. So this loop is bodiless loop, and this situation the condition is true. Then perform increment decrement operation. Otherwise condition is false. The next statement is printed. We check all condition. I is equals to 1, condition is true. I is equals to 2, condition is also true. I is equals to 3, 4 and 5, condition is true. But I is equals to 6, the condition is false. So output printed is 6. So option is 1. Question number 3. Integer I. The declaration is correct. We start I is equals to 2, which is less than 10. The condition is true. Then print the value 2, and this condition I plus is equals to I. It means I is 2 and is equals to I. It means 2 plus 2 is equals to 4. Again we check the condition. This also less than 10. The 4 value is printed. Then again we check the condition. 4 plus 4 is equals to 8, which is also printed. When we again check the condition, 8 plus 8 is equals to 16, which is not less than 10. So the value is false. So 2, 4, 8 is printed. Question number 4. Choose a correct C do while syntax. In this do while syntax, first do and statements and then while condition is present. But semicolon after while condition is must. So option D is correct. Question number 5. We declare I is equals to 1. The value 1 is printed. In while condition I plus plus less than 3. It means first print the value of I. Then condition is check. After a checking condition, they will go into body. So print 1. 1 is less than 3. Condition is true. Then increment. Print 2. 2 is less than 3. Condition is true. Print 3. 3 is less than 3. Condition false. So will not go into body. So output is 1, 2, 3. Question number 6. We declare AB. The value of AB is -1. In do while loop, first statement executed. So on time, the C programming is printed. In this condition, post increment is present. So they distributed into two steps, while AB and second is AB is equals to AB plus 1. In first condition, while -1, which is non-zero value, it means condition is true. Then AB is equals to AB plus 1 means AB is equals to 0. Then second time C program is printed because of increment value -1 into 0 means while 0 condition is false. So C programming is printed 2 times. So option C is correct. Question 7. Choose a correct C while loop syntax. This is a very easy loop. Only while condition is there and then statement is there. So option A is correct. Question 8. In this question, all are correct, means main function correct, opening closing bracket and return value also correct. So it is not a syntax error. When we give the value to printf, the printf print the value, the number of character he was printed, the printf retired counting number printf executed. So high is printed. In this, the number of character is 2, while 2 2 is not 0, it is a logical not. So condition is false. So high printed 1 times. So option 1 is correct. Question number 9. This is our last question. What will be the output of C programming? The main function correct, opening closing bracket also correct, and return value also correct. But AB is 7. In integer, AB is equals to 7, while in while loop, while AB is equals to minus minus. So in this, 7 minus minus is the error, because the value required, we apply increment decrement operation in variable, but we do not apply increment decrement operation on a constant value. But in this situation, we apply increment decrement operator in constant. So it is a compilation error, because L value is required on decrement operation. So option D is correct.